what's up? Welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, we're doing another unboxing of Play by Sephora September edition. So you guys want to see what I got in here, then definitely keep on watching. Alright, so I want to go ahead and start off by saying that I apologize for my makeup look. I just filmed the tutorial that you guys have always been asking for. You guys asked me to recreate the look that I did for my OI's videos. I tried to recreate it right now, and I am going to be completely honest with you guys. I'm not very happy with how it turned out. Mostly it is my fault, not necessarily the product's fault, so I'm just not the most keen on it, but I did film it. I am contemplating scrapping the video, but if you guys want to see it, let me know. I tried my best. I mean, I just didn't write down the steps like I should have. I'm human. That's what it comes down to. I'm human, and it's not my best work, and it came out all right. I'm just like, So if you guys want to see this video, let me know. If not, I'll refilm it and put it out another time. But with that said, let's go ahead and move on to Play by Sephora. So if you guys have been here on my channel long enough, you guys will know that Play by Sephora is a $10 a month subscription service. You get 5 sample size items of products that are sold at Sephora, including a reusable makeup bag. Now this makeup bag is something that I'm not a fan of because it is a plastic makeup bag, but they do have 5 sample size products in here of nice items too, like really nice high-end items. And it also comes with a 50-point play card. Now you can take these points and add it on top of your purchase. So if say you bought something for $12 at Sephora, which is really unlikely, you add this and now you've actually spent $72 point-wise in Sephora, then you would have just the 12 points you would have gotten for $12. So hopefully that makes sense. I believe they do have a Play by Sephora Luxe edition, but this one I think just gets you like 6 to 9 deluxe sample size products with the makeup bag. Every time I go on the website to look at it, it just is never available. So I'm like, okay, cool. Like you're just not available. I also want to throw out that y'all, BoxyCharm and Ipsy are really competing against each other, because I got an email from Ipsy saying that, hey, we're now doing this new thing where we're going to do Ipsy Ultimate, where you get like, what, 6 to 8 or like 7 to 9 full-size products, and you get to pick one product each month to put in that box. And then BoxyCharm just reached out to me, well, every BoxyCharmers, or the Charmers yesterday, and said they're doing their own Boxy Premium. So instead of it being $20 a month, it'll be $35 a month, where you get 6 to 8 full-size products. I don't remember exactly the number wise, so I do apologize there, but you get like additional items in your box. You get to again pick out your item, like one item exclusively for your box, and you get to do add-ons this time. Now they're doing it for $35. Ipsy's doing theirs for Ultimate for $50 a month. Really expensive, because now in the beginning of the month I'm gonna be spending like, what, $85? She's pricey, but I did sign up for both of them because I wanted to really compare between Boxy Premium versus Ipsy Ultimate to see who truly is going to win the battle. If you choose not to do Boxy Premium, they are going to still raise your rates to $25. So instead of paying $21 a month, you are going to be paying $25 a month. So I do want to let you guys know right there that your rates are going up starting in October. So that is just a heads up right there. I believe the first Boxy Premium is going to be in November, whereas the first Ipsy is going to be in October. So this is definitely going to be a testament to the battle of the boxes. So I'm so excited. It's going to really like, ooh, that's my favorite series to film. So it's really going to like help, I don't say boost that series, but it's going to help really like see who really is going to be the ultimate makeup subscription service, whether it be Ipsy Ultimate or Boxy Premium. We're going to find out. And Sephora Play, get on it, man. Get on it. Oh my god, this theme is called Game of T-Zones. So freaking cute. This is what it looks like. Game of T-Zones right here. So excited to play around in this box. So this is the reusable makeup bag. Again, I do not like this bag because it is a plastic bag, and I know that it's not good for the environment, but they still choose to put that in there. Why? I don't know. They say it's reusable, but who really reuses it? Because I don't. It just gets thrown away. So the first product that I see is going to be by Belif. This is the Belif True Cream Moisturizing Balm. This intensely moisturizing balm is action-packed cream that leaves skin smooth, supple, and nurtured for 26 hours. Ooh, and this is an exclusive to this box. And Ooh, she smells good. Nice. I'm excited to try this out. I've actually never tried anything from Believe before, so I'm really excited to try this out. So thank you. The next product is, ooh, okay, this is Giorgio Armani's Si Passion et de Perfume. This fragrance family is floral. The top note is black currant, middle note is rose, and bottom note is musk. Okay, y'all, this is the tiniest little freaking thing in the world. Like, what? Oop, did I just break it? Did I just? Oh my god. Oh my god, this smells like, oh my god, this smells like my childhood. This smells like my old nanny that used to watch me. She wasn't my nanny, but it was my mom's best friend, Donna. She used to watch me a lot. This smells just like how she used to smell. How I remember her smell, I don't know, but she had a very distinct perfume smell. This smells just like it, and it's now all over my face. I mean, this would seriously take like 2 times using this and I'd be out. It smells really good, but I think Giorgio Armani is really expensive. I'd probably never invest in this perfume, but it smells delicious. Yes, I can smell the musk. Oh, that middle note's coming in right now, rose. Ah, there's that top note, floral. I didn't smell any of that. All right, the next product is from Fresh. It's a Sugar Rose Lip Treatment Sunscreen SPF 15. So this is a cult classic that it's not to be missed. This hydrating, smoothing lip balm has a sheer rosy tint that provides essential sunscreen. Well, this is actually perfect being here in Florida because Lord knows my lips get chapped so much when I'm out in the sun. And I'm always applying chapstick on my lips at all times. So it'd be kind of nice to have something that's like color tinted. And I think this is the second product that I've got from Fresh because of Sephora. That's not really rosy tint, but we'll pretend that it is. Oh my god, that perfume smell though, for real. Oh my god. She is strong. Alright, the next product is, ooh. Oh my god, I always say this name wrong. Berigio. Okay, you know what? We're gonna look this up because I am not gonna embarrass myself once again.
Hey guys, my name is Kendra Atkins, and today I want to tell you a little bit about the Briogeo Rosarco line.
Briogeo. Had to look this up on YouTube and how to say this properly. Briogeo. We're gonna pretend I already said it. This is the Don't Despair Repair Deep Conditioning Mask. Formulated with naturally derived ingredients, this mask visibly restores essential hydration and helps straighten strands. A true hair hero story, and this is an award-winning product. Now, I can already tell you guys right now, I've actually used this mask before because I got it in, smells amazing. I forgot where I got this at. I got this exact same one. I've actually used it before and it is actually quite fantastic, and I ran out of it. And then I was gonna buy the full-size mask when I bought shampoo and conditioner of the Be Gentle, Be Kind. I was gonna buy the full version of this. I never did. Why I didn't do that, I forgot why I didn't do it, but I'm really excited to get this because it is a really great product and it works very, very well, so yay! The next product is a Makeup Forever Mist and Fix. This setting spray will keep makeup sweat-proof, rub-resistant, and fresh-looking throughout the entire 12-hour reality TV marathon. First off, how'd you know I watch reality TV for 12 hours? Who you be talking to? This is, again, an exclusive to this box. Okay, hold up. They really do have a how to apply this. This smells like nothing. Ooh. Alright, I'm always down to try new setting sprays. The current setting spray that I'm using right now is my Jeffree Star Morphe collaboration, the strawberry setting spray, but I've also been loving a lot is my Milani Make It Last Matte Finish setting spray. I do have a Matte Fix Plus setting spray, and it's supposed to be the like keep your face matte. I don't find that it keeps my face matte at all, but I've been using this a lot and I feel like it does a great job. Plus it smells amazing and it's only $6. You guys cannot beat that. Cannot beat it. Alright, and the last product is Bare Minimals Bronzer. This blockbuster bronzer delivers that movie star glow, plus its minimal base matte powder blurs the look of pores. Oh, but she's so tiny. She's so tiny and she's a little bit too, well, I I'd have to play around with that because it looks like it'd be a little bit too dark, but then again, it actually might not be. I have not, it kind of smells like coffee grinds a little bit. I have actually not played around with bare minimal products in so long. I think the last time I played around with it was when I used to work at Ulta. I know they really pushed bare minerals back in the day to sell it. I don't really know why they kind of stopped. I don't really know what it is, but I don't really ever wear bare minerals, but I'm definitely excited to give that a try. I would say this is actually a really cute box that I got this time. I got 6 products in here instead of 5 because there is the perfume sample right in here. And this is just like really cute little box. I really like trying out different brands. It's kind of cool they put that in here. Again, these are just sample size products or travel size products, sample size products, deluxe sample size products is what they are. But I really do love Sephora Play because I got my Bobbi Brown, which is pretty much empty now, enriched, vitamin rich like facial primer right here. I did go and buy the full version of this because I think it truly is amazing, and I'm so glad I got to have it in here. It's why I like having this box, because it's a great way to try out different products without having to invest your entire money into it. So that way if it doesn't work, you don't have to worry about returning it. You're like, ah, didn't work, thank God I didn't spend my money on it. So that is it for today's video, guys. I really like this box. I thought it was one of the better boxes that I've gotten in a while from Sephora Play. I really do enjoy Sephora Play. I wish that they offered full-size version of these products in here. I won't be surprised if eventually Sephora Play steps it up and starts doing full-size products. And if they do, you can best believe I'll be subscribed to that, because I really love what they throw in here just for a sample size. So I can imagine what it'd be like to have full-size products. So that is it for today's video, guys. Please make sure you guys give this video a cheeky thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you guys have not already, because I do post 3 videos a week. Also, make sure you guys head on over to my other channel. It's Our Florida Life. You guys can see my cool, wonderful adventures here in Florida with my amazing fiance, Corey. And as always, guys, I want to thank you guys for all your love and support. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!